Vivo X60 Pro Plus pre-bookings begin. Tip to sport 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Vivo X60 Pro Plus pre-bookings have begun in China. Vivo has also revealed some specifications that confirm some earlier speculations. As per the listing on the company's Chinese online store, the smartphone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. Additionally, a tipster has claimed that the smartphone will come with a 50-megapixel main camera and 48-megapixel ultra-wide snapper on the back. The smartphone is likely a more powerful version of the Vivo X60 and Vivo X60 Pro smartphones that were launched in December. According to Vivo China online store, Vivo X60 Pro Plus can be pre-booked for 50 Chinese yuans, roughly 560 rupees. This amount will be adjusted in the final sale price of the phone. The listing also mentions that the phone will be launched at an event scheduled for January 21st in China at 7:30 p.m. local time, 5 p.m. IST. Apart from this, Vivo confirms that the handset will come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, a first in the company's smartphone lineup. The phone is being offered in 8GB plus 128GB storage option and 12GB plus 256GB storage variant. The listing also shows a quad rear camera setup on Vivo X60 Pro Plus. As per a post by Tipster Digital Chat Station on Weibo, the smartphone is expected to have a Samsung GN1 50-megapixel primary camera with f/1.6 aperture, a 48-megapixel sensor paired with an ultra-wide lens that has second-generation micro-gimbal stabilization, a 5x periscope telephoto camera, and a portrait sensor. It also shows that the phone will be offered in two color options, classic orange and dark blue. A previous report suggested that the smartphone may support 55 watts fast charging, and a display with 120Hz refresh rate. The phone could come with a 6.56-inch AMOLED screen, and run on Android 11 based Origin OS. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.